Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to create a simple website using HTML and CSS. And before I start, just letting you know that the thing that I'm using, or the browser that I'm using, is called CodePen. It's totally free. You can just sign up and start coding. So let's first talk about a little bit about the foundation or the start of what HTML and CSS really is. So HTML and CSS they're the main coding languages used to create websites. HTML over here is used to mostly create the foundation of the website, and CSS is used to give it a little bit of style. Let me give you an example. This is a website that I made before about boroughs and how the abuse of boroughs needs to stop. So as you can see, we have a little bit of text here in different fonts and colors and sizes. We have a nice picture here. So the text itself is the HTML part, so the foundation of the website. And then like the style and size and image in the background, that is the CSS part of it. So these images, the text color and size, that's CSS. And then the main words is actually HTML. So let's get started now that you've seen an example. So we're just going to create a very simple website for now and keep watching more of my videos to find out how to make more complex websites like this. This was used through a browser, but I coded a little bit of it. So let's start. Let's create a website about dogs. Everyone loves dogs, and if you don't, then I'm sorry. So to create a title such as this one, maybe, right here, we use the h1 tag. This basically means header 1. So to make a tag, we use the less than and greater than signs, and inside them, we write h1. And now let's just start with dogs are adorable. Now we have to close the tag, otherwise HTML won't recognize it. So to close the tab, you want to use this same format, except before you write h1, you want to write a slash. So it'd be symbol slash h1 closing symbol. Now we have this, but this is a pretty basic header. Let's style it up a little. Now this is where CSS comes in. So in order to style it up, you want to do h1 and curly bracket enter. This means that this is basically telling like, hey, CSS, I am only making these changes to the h1 tag. So I'm only making these changes to this text right here. So nothing else. Now let's put the header in the center. So in order to do that, you want to do text align and then center and semicolon. This is the main format for writing CSS. Now it's in center. You can also do left and right over here. It doesn't just have to be center, but I just like it to be centered. Now, I do love black. It's a nice color, but I'm not gonna lie, I like blue a little more. So let's change that. In order to change the color, it's pretty simple. You just type in color, colon, and then let's do blue. And then the semicolon, now you can see the text is now blue. Okay, so we have a header and we got it pretty styled up. Now let's write a little bit about dogs. In order to do this, you want to use the paragraph tag. So all tags, or at least most tags in HTML, are the same format. So in order to do paragraph tag, you would do symbol, p, close symbol, and then whatever text, and then symbol slash p, close symbol. Now, I don't like this text at all, so we're just going to change that. We could write something like, that's pretty good. Now, I personally don't like the font of this or this. So let's change that. In order to change the font of something, you type in font/family, colon, and then let's do Arial. Now that only changed the H1 tag because in CSS we're telling them, hey, only do this for H1. In order to do P, you want to type in the same thing, so P, and then the curly brackets, and then you can type in the same thing over here. But let's keep it like this for now. Now, we have a header and we have a little bit about dogs. Now, let's add a picture. Everyone loves pictures. In order to do that, go back to HTML, and then you want to type in the symbol, image, or IMG for image, and then SRC for source, equals, and then quotes. Now, in the quotes, you want to add in the picture link or like the picture address. So I've already searched it up, or adorable puppy. Let's do this one because look at it. It's so cute. So in order to do this, don't click save link as or save image as. That won't transfer it to what you want it to transfer to. You want to do copy image address. So just click that, and then let's go back to our tab, and then Control V pastes it. Don't forget to close the tag, and look at that. We have our own adorable little puppy. So these are the basics of HTML and CSS. We have a header, we have a small, I guess, paragraph about dogs, and a cute little picture. Feel free to try this on your own. Like I said, I used CodePen. It's completely free. Try it on your own. Make your own header, experiment with a few things, color, text where you're putting it, fonts, things like that. I really hope this helped you create the basics of a website. As I said, more will be coming soon. Have a great day and happy coding!